MLA ka Nongïalam constituency uba Ardent embassy menta kasingi lora ekamat hakaba Nongïalam ka Karbi student association kila berngam balada kidu no ekijaka hakaput kanja kumbaja ka Manipur hakablami ka Jingkren Jaidbynriew ka bakraw pedeng ki Jaidbynriew riulum kuki somi bat ki Jaidbynriew meitai uba Ardent uloong ba kane ka Jingkren Nongïalam ka KSA kala bonra ka Jingkynshoit ka bajor bat kane ka Jingkren jo Nongïalam kala ru bonra ka Jingthot ka songsok songsan ha ka tege jaka habujuba be kane menteri rangba ka jela ule thu bana kaliang ka sarkar jela kala shem ye bon ki senjam bante lakam ya kino jinja balue thu ru bo menteri ka sarkar Assam ubadan lang ha ka tege jaka ula kantai war ye ka Jingkren Nongïalam ka KSA Susu menteri rangba oleh tu baka kapor ba menteri rangba ka Assam baru CM ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kilawan Silong layo bania kren ya kene ka kam ukonrat loong ru basyan kan sadon ka Jingkren betput biang hau panai risau ringkat ka jingle jingo ya ki jaka khaput bat akhanduli bat ki wedi ki jaka pedeng jong menteri rangba ka Assam bat nget bakane kala ban weng ye ki Jingkynad ban ha ka te ka than
I would like to thank you for admitting this zero-hour notice. So now under Rule 49A of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business, I would like to move a zero-hour notice to the news item published in Nongïalam dated 17th August 2023 under the caption on Ja Kumbaja Manipur Ladangidu Elakijaka. Manipur-like situation will happen if we lose our land. Statement stated by leaders of the Karbi Students Association, sir.
Yes, you mean motion.
Sir,
you mean issue.
My attention has been drawn to this news item, which is highly provocative in nature. And also my attention has been drawn to some sections in the Indian Penal Code, sir. That is section 153, which read, wantonly giving provocation with intent to cause riot, if rioting be committed, if not committed, whoever malignantly or wantonly by doing anything which is illegal gives provocation to any person intending or knowing it to be likely that such provocation will cause the offense of rioting to be committed, shall, if the offense of rioting be committed in consequence of such provocation, be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 1 year, or with fine, or with both. And if the offense of rioting is not committed, with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 6 months, or fined, or with both. So, 153A, it speaks about the promoting an enmity between different groups on grounds of religion, race, place of birth, residence, language, etc., and doing acts prejudicial to maintenance of harmony. So 146, section 146, it speaks about riot whenever force or violence is used by an unlawful assembly or by any member thereof in prosecution of the common object of such assembly. Every member of such assembly is guilty of the offense of rioting. 147, punishment for rioting. Whoever is guilty of rioting shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 2 years, or with fine, or with both. Sir, the statement made by the leader of the KSA is sufficient enough to create disharmony, especially in the border areas. And this will lead to riot. So therefore, sir, may I know from the government what steps has been taken, whether the state government has taken up this matter with the counterpart in order to ensure that we maintain harmony, especially in the border areas, sir. So with these few words, sir, I would like to conclude my submission.
Yeah. Minister in charge.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I am thankful to Honourable Member Shri Ardent Honourable Member from Nongïalam constituency, who has tabled this zero-hour notice to the news item published in Nongïalam dated 17th August 2023 under the caption Anjia Kumbajia Manipur Ladanye Doya Laki Jaka Mahamka KSA. Sir, for the knowledge of the House, since it's a sensitive topic, I would like to just give a 5 to 10 minutes brief of the history, and then I will come to the concerns that were raised by the honourable member, sir. Sir, on 17th of April 2023, the public from Khanduli area proceeded towards the Karbi Anglong District Council entry tax gate and uprooted the signboard that was erected in the area. And on receiving the information, the police officials and district administration of West Jaidbynriew Hills immediately proceeded to the area to ascertain the facts and circumstances. The intervention of the officials present in the field prevented a major breakdown of law and order in the area and quelled the escalation tension between the Panar and Karbi communities. Mr. Speaker, sir, the incident, however, resulted in the imposition of several restrictions, such as prohibition of cross-border movements in the area and restriction to engage in agriculture activities. The residents of Khanduli village who are of Panar origin were prohibited from going to the fields to engage in agriculture activities, and likewise the people of Karbi origin were not allowed to enter Meghalaya. As of late, tension in the area has been largely contained and normalcy has resumed in the area owing to the efforts undertaken by both government officials to ensure the peace and tranquility prevails in the area. Further, Mr. Speaker, sir, in order to ease the brewing tension and to prevent the escalation of conflict along the interstate border, several initiatives have been initiated by the West Jaidbynriew Hills District Administration and also the Police Department of the state by involving the participation of counterparts from Assam and the general public residing in the area. On 19th of April 2023, the Deputy Commissioner Superintendents of Police level meeting was convened in July, which was attended by the Deputy Commissioner and Superintendent of both the districts along with other officials. Another meeting was also convened on 8th of May 2023 at Khanduli border outpost in Meghalaya, deliberating on various issues and restoring normalcy in the area. The meeting was attended by the Additional Superintendent of Police, Additional District Magistrate and Border Magistrates of West Jaidbynriew Hills and West Karbi Anglong District of Assam. On 11th of May 2023, a meeting was convened by the Deputy Commissioner, West Jaidbynriew Hills at Khanduli to deliberate on the prevailing border issue. The meeting was attended by the Superintendent of Police, West Jaidbynriew Hills District and the villagers of Khanduli. On 15th of May 2023, a meeting was convened with the village leaders of Khanduli, which was attended by the Deputy Inspector General of Police, Eastern Range, Meghalaya, along with the Superintendent of Police, West Jaidbynriew Hills, and other senior police officials of the district. On 16th of May 2023, a meeting was held at Khanduli border outpost of Assam, which was attended by the Deputy Commissioner and Superintendent of Police of both the districts along with other officers, in which the prevailing law and order situation was deliberated at length. Again, on 2nd of August 2023, a Deputy Commissioner Superintendent of Police level meeting between the two districts was held, Khanduli border outpost of Assam Police, to discuss the issue pertaining to the entry tax gate of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, wherein it was agreed to remove the entry tax gate set up at Khanduli and also withdraw the force deployed in the area. On the 16th of August 2023, a meeting of the regional committees of West Jaidbynriew Hills and West Karbi Anglong District was held at Khanduli BOP, Assam, whereby from the state of Assam it was attended by Shri Piyush Hazarika, Honorable Minister, Government of Assam, come the Chairman of the Regional Committee of Assam, and the Deputy Commissioner, Superintendent of Police of West Karbi Anglong and other officials. While Shri Snowbalang Dhar, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, come Chairman of the Regional Committee of Meghalaya, along with various members of the committee and government officials of the district represented Meghalaya. Mr. Speaker, sir, while the regional committee meeting was still in progress, the Karbi Student Association came to the venue and met the regional committee members after the meeting concluded. Thereafter, the president of the KSA appeared before the media, and it was during the said briefing that the president stated that a Manipur-like situation may occur if we lose our land once KSA. This matter was not entertained by the Honorable Minister of Assam, Shri Piyush Hajarika, who rebuked the person stating that such a statement should not be made to aggravate the situation. The Honorable Minister mentioned that the aim of the committee is to bring peace and harmony between the two communities and to find out the best possible solution to resolve the border issue. Further, on 30th of August 2023, the Jaintia Student Movement and Karbi Student Union held a meeting in Dipu, East Karbi district, Assam, in which they discussed the parameters to bring peace and normalcy along the Assam-Meghalaya border. During the meeting, the Student Committee for Peace Initiative was formed, and the committee will work on how to bring life to normalcy in the interstate border and ease the communal tension. They had also decided that representatives of the two NGOs would visit the border villages along with village elders. Further, it was decided that a similar meeting will be convened in Juwai in the coming days. The main purpose of the meeting is to find ways and means to end the turmoil in the border areas. Mr. Speaker, sir, as of date, the situation in the area is under close watch, and all efforts are being put into ensuring that law and order in the area will not be breached. The district police are on high alert, and regular patrolling is being conducted in and around the area. The police are also regularly meeting the village elders and the general public, appealing to them to maintain peace and tranquility in the area. Mr. Speaker, sir, sufficient force has been deployed in Kanduli, Lapanga, Saitsama outpost and Nartiang police station to deal with the law and order situation in the area. The force that has been deployed in the area comprises of the armed branch and the special force 10 of Meghalaya Police. Mr. Speaker, sir, apart from these efforts, there is also constant communication and coordination with the counterparts of Assam to maintain law and order in the area, and most importantly to ensure that normalcy in the area are not disrupted. Mr. Speaker, sir, I would take this opportunity to inform the members of this August House. The government of the day is working tirelessly towards ensuring that peace and harmony prevails along the interstate border and the issues of border conflicts are resolved permanently. Mr. Speaker, one of the endeavors of the government of the day is the sanctioning of 7 border outposts, which are the Rani Jirang BOP in Ribhoi district, Langpi BOP, Lejadubi BOP, and Umbali BOP in West Khasi Hills district, Muriap BOP in East Jaintia Hills district, Tewia BOP and Mukro BOP in West Jaintia Hills district. Mr. Speaker, sir, the creation of these BOPs has greatly contributed towards the prevention of border conflicts and, most importantly, has augmented the strength of the police officials in the field. Furthermore, Mr. Speaker, sir, the initiative of the government of the day to resolve the border disputes in 6 areas of differences during the first phase of border settlement and the ongoing second phase of border settlement between the two states is a testament to the fact that the government of the day is committed towards ensuring peace and tranquility prevails in the border areas and that border disputes are resolved permanently. Sir, I also would like to add that recently the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and the CEM of the Karbi District Autonomous District Council, they were in Shillong for a function, And we took that opportunity to have an unofficial discussion and a closed-door discussion regarding the issue in Kanduli. And we have decided on a few things in that meeting, and we will be formally taking those decisions forward in the next official meeting, which will be held sometime in the first week or max second week of October, after which we intend, the Assam Chief Minister and myself intend to visit Kanduli and the other areas in and around. The exact location we have not finalized, but we will finalize that. But in that particular areas of difference, we will plan a meeting in that area to meet the concerned stakeholders and ensure we send a message of peace. And the meeting that was held in Shillong during their visit was very productive, I must say, and we have taken some very important decisions in that. But as I said, that we are working on the nitty-gritties of implementing those certain moves and decisions that we have decided. And as I said, by October, when we meet officially, wherever the location may be, those decisions will be officially taken up. So hence, we are continuously following up, apart from all the administrative decisions we have taken and administrative steps that we have taken. Steps have been taken with different stakeholders and also at a political level with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and also the CEM of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council. And sir, I would like to conclude by saying that we are all aware about the complication of this area and the tension that is prevailing in this area. It is not something that has just started. It has been there since the inception of our state. And hence, it is our endeavor to ensure that in any given situation, things should not escalate. And we have always believed that it is not through confrontation, but it is through dialogue and discussion that we'll be able to come to an amicable solution. And trust is very important in this issue. There could be situations, there could be individuals that are saying, which is something that is obviously at a level where individuals at different levels from different communities could make statements, but we need to understand that the leadership of both the states and the officials also at different levels are ensuring that we are working closely with each other to ensure that the peace prevails in that area, that the people are not harmed in that area, but at the same time we ensure that enough security and presence of manpower is there to provide that confidence to our people that the security is there for them. So along with all these measures, I am hopeful, sir, we will be able to take things forward, and I look forward to the meeting in October where we will be able to come up with some important decisions. And with these few clarifications that the Honourable Member has raised, I would like to resume my seat. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.